Oh, sorry. Hey guys, Mr. Stevenson here. We're going to do a drawing of a shark today. I didn't know you were here. Sorry. Anyways, we are going to start our shark drawing. Super simple shapes. So this is good for younger kids, older kids. Nice warm-up drawing too. We're going to start with our paper. Once my webcam gets in focus, we are going to do a rectangle. And you can see it is a somewhat long rectangle. It is all right if it is twice, maybe a little bit more than 2 times the height, the width. So take your height, multiply by 2. That's how long or wide it should be. Then we are doing, like I said, very simple shapes here. 2 triangles, and they're going to meet in the middle. Like so. And then a bunch of little triangles here to make your teeth. I'm going to make mine with a smaller marker. And it is like a bunch of little M's. When we made those lines, if you remember at the beginning of the year, we were saying this was a zigzag line, whereas this is a wavy line. And then we had the M's all in a row, and that is a bumpy line. Think about your line. And these are all actually really good for if we were going to make some water. So think about shapes of water. We will do a circle with a dot in it for an eyeball. Extra simple. We're going to do another fin. This fin can be a little bit more geometric than the fish one. If you already did the fish one, it can be about halfway up his body. A little bit of a curve at the top if you want. If not, you can make it totally just like a triangle. The bottom, we are going to do another one. It is going to be, if this front fin is here, we will start the back of this one here. It is almost like a, I don't know what this shape would be. Like a straight line down with a curve back up. So maybe this is like the front end of a C. On the back of this shark, we are just going to do a simple set of triangles. One triangle. Then we're going to do another triangle, but this is a really flat one. If you have trouble making that one, you can just make one triangle going up, one going down. And then 2 little triangles right there. Boom. Last thing we're going to do is he has these breathing gills. I think they're gills on a shark, right? And they're going to go 1, 2, 3. These lines are vertical. They are up and down, and they are progressively getting smaller, smaller, smaller. And they are roughly centered on that left vertical line of our rectangle. Then we can go back in with a cool gray, which cool gray means it's gray with some blue in it, or just a regular gray, or whatever crayons you have. And we will just fill that shark in. And we can think about the element of art called value. And the value is going to be how dark or light you are making your drawing. So we can make very dark fins, maybe. Get more of that smooth exterior shark skin. And think about coloring inside of the lines. Make it nice and perfect. I am not making mine as perfect as I possibly could because I am going quickly to show you guys how to do it. And then we'll do some thickness there. Nice thick dark lines there. And then we will fill it in lightly. Think about our line quality. We're kind of following the shape. It almost looks like the shark is a torpedo jumping out of the water because we did our various lines down here. Do not do these lines, or I guess if you do these lines, I'll know that you're not watching the video and you're just tracing the video. So if you're just tracing the video on your computer screen, first off, don't use a marker because it messes things up. Second off, don't do that because we're trying to learn to draw. Third off, I'll know because these will be here. And I'll say, why did you do that? I said, do not do that. Don't do that. There we have a shark. We have our water. Like a shark torpedo. Let me see your shark drawing. You can make it kind of different. You can make it like he's eating something. Maybe he... Maybe just saw a piece of pizza. Who knows? Your shark, your drawing. Color it in, let me see it. We are going to continue learning how to draw some more fish and ocean aquatic type things this week. You're at home, you're a fish out of water. I'm a fish out of water. Have a good one, Mr. Stevenson saying, see you later.